So, of course, there's a difference between what we call spoken English and written English. There are just some things that we say that we don't usually write down. But that doesn't mean that something which is spoken is only casual. In fact, many spoken English words or phrases are used in all kinds of situations. Today we're going to talk about three really common words: gonna, wanna, and gotta. And these are so common that you can't say they're casual English, because pretty much everybody says them. They're just not written down. Any kind of situation. Casual, more formal, a presentation, a president, whatever. So we'll start with the simple stuff first. Gonna. Gonna means going to. Going to. But it doesn't mean going to like I'm going to the supermarket. We cannot say I gonna the supermarket. No, it means going to as in will. As in will. I'm gonna, and then we say some action. I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna go to work. I am going to go to work is the meaning. I'm gonna write a story. I'm gonna write a story. We can't say I gonna. For the other two that we're going to talk about, wanna and gotta, you can say I wanna, I gotta. But we can't say I gonna. We have to say I'm gonna. Why? Why is that? Because gonna means going. There's an ing there. Because there's an ing, then you have to say I'm. So if you say I gonna, it's wrong. It's wrong.
Hey, I'm gonna go to the gym.
When are you gonna get back?
I'm probably gonna be back around 8.
Are you gonna stop at the store?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop at the store on my way back.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get some almond milk.
Now wanna, sometimes when people say wanna, it means want a. Like, I want a bike. I want a bike. But usually, when people say wanna, it means want to. Want to. I wanna buy a bike is more common.
I want to buy a bike.
Why do you want to buy a bike?
Stupid question. Because I want to ride it.
Where do you want to ride it?
I want to ride it everywhere.
Gotta. What about gotta? Gotta is a little bit more difficult because it's used in a couple different ways. One meaning of gotta is got a. For example, I have got a very, very bad headache. I have got a very, very bad headache. But people don't say I have got a headache. They say, oh, I got a headache. I got a headache, or I've got a headache.
I got a feeling tonight's gonna be a good night.
What?
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
What?
I've got a bad feeling about this.
I've got a bad feeling about it.
Quiet.
What?
I got a bad feeling about this.
I got a bad feeling about this.
The other one means have got to. I have got to. Sort of like I want to, right? But have got to means must. Must. I have got to. We say I gotta as well, and I've gotta. Both are common. I've gotta and I gotta means must.
Hey, I gotta go.
Now? You gotta go now?
Yeah, I gotta go now. I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta pee.
As I mentioned, the other way we use it is with have. You have got to. You must be. You have got to. So, you could say I've, you've, we've. You've gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me.
Well, maybe it's just because you're ugly.
Ugly?
You gotta be kidding me.
I've gotta ask you a question. I've gotta ask you a question. We've gotta get out of here. We've gotta get out of here. It's gotta be the shoes. It's gotta be the shoes.
It's gotta be the shoes. Shoes. You sure it's not the shoes?
I'm sure, Mom.
So I focus on these three because they're very common, but you'll also hear coulda, woulda, shoulda, could have, would have, should have. That means, by the way, that you regret something. And you'll hear each of those words often. Sometimes you'll hear oughta. You ought to know. You ought to know. You ought to know. There are lots of these that many people say when they're speaking naturally because it makes you sound more natural. It is natural spoken English. And now, hopefully, you know how to use them, especially these 3 very common ones: gonna, gotta, and wanna. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to push the subscribe button and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Give me suggestions for things you want to see me talk about, and I'll look for those in the comments. See you next time.